Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my channel Abacus Tips. So in last class we learned small fries formula for adding 4. And what was the small fries formula for adding 4? It was add 5 less 1. And first let us revise formulas of big fries formula because since many videos we did not revise those. So let's get started. For adding 9 in big fries formula, the formula is less 1 add 10. For adding 8, the formula is less 2 add 10. For adding 7, the formula is less 3 add 10. For adding 6, the formula is less 4 add 10. For adding 5, the formula is less 5 add 10. For adding 6, again we are again coming in a sequence. So now for adding 4, the big friend formula is less 6 add 10. See, I told you from 9, 8, 7, 6, whatever the formula is, after 5 you will get 4, 3, 2, 1. Those formulas will be repeated. So if you remember 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, you will easily understand from the previous ones. So the formula for plus 6 was less 4 add 10. So the formula for plus 4 will be less 6 add 10. Similarly, the formula for plus 3 will be less 7 add 10. For the formula for plus 2 will be less 8 add 10. The formula for plus 1 will be less 9 add 10. When you will be revising in your mind also, keep doing it with hand movements because this will help you developing visualization, that is practicing Abacus able to do these problems without using the tool itself. Okay, yeah. And see, in big friend formula and small friend formula, the major difference is in big friend formula you will subtract and you will add 10 to the next place, but in small friend formula everything will happen in the same place. For example, for small friend formula for plus 4 was add 5 less 1. So 5 and 1 both are in units place. Whereas, see, let me take an example and explain it to you. For example, we have 2 and you want to add 4. Then which formula will be used? For adding 4 we know two formulas, big friend and small friend. This is like this session I am giving you for you to understand when to use big friend formula and when to use small friend formula, because till you practice you only know big friend formula, you will be very happily using those formulas. But once you also come to know about small friend formula, children generally get confused about the usage of it. They don't understand when to use big friend and when to use small friend. So it is very simple. This is 2. First recall both the formulas. Okay. Big friend formula for 4 is less 6 add 10, and small friend formula for 4 is add 5 less 1. And on this bar you have 2. Can you subtract 6 from 2? See, greater numbers, small numbers, you know, right? So this is 6 fingers, right? So 6 is greater than 2. So can you subtract 6 from 2? No, it's not possible. So here if you use big friend formula for adding 4, which is less 6 add 10, will you be able to solve it? Will you be able to subtract 6 from 2? Like this is 2 and subtract 6 from it. You have only 2 fingers, how can you cut 6 fingers from here? You cannot do it, right? So big friend formula is not applicable here. Now we move on to small friend formula, which is add 5 less 1. So add 5 less 1. So answer is 6. This is how you will evaluate the usage of where you should use big friend formula and where you should use small friend formula. Okay, this is very important to understand. And in small friend formula, see, everything happened only in here. Like here you want to add 4, then here only you added 5 and here only you subtracted. Like this is 2, then here you want to add 4. Formula is add 5 less 1. So add 5 less 1. Everything happened in this units place. But now we will see, like understanding. Now we will see big friend formula. Here there is inclusion of two places. For example, you have 6 or 7. Okay. Now in 7 you need to add 4. Now you are using big friend formula, means it is less 6 add 10. Okay, less 6 add 10. So you're doing less 6 add 10. So here two places are coming in usage. So this is known as the big friend formula. It is larger. It involves both ones place and tens place. Whereas small friend, it helps only in one place. Everything is done in one place. So this is all for understanding when to use big friend, when to use small friend, and the difference between them. In further videos you will get more clarity about it, of course, but for now I made this specific video so that students don't get confused between the usage of big friend and small friend. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and for more such tips and tricks about Abacus, please do follow my channel Abacus at your tips. Thank you so much.